Hello everyone, we are presenting our Mechatronics project for the fall of 2025 at the University of Texas at El Paso to the Department of Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering. Our project is an autonomous color sorting system designed to improve industrial efficiency and organization. Our team consists of Sebastian Presley, Brian Magallanes, Luis Jimenez, Isaiah Salas, and Isaac Vizcarra. Our professor for this course is Dr. Arifur Khan. The main objective of our project was to develop a tabletop autonomous color sorting conveyor system. This system reduces manual labor, minimizes sorting errors, and improves workflow consistency while demonstrating reliable small-scale industry performance. These were our main design requirements. The system needed to fit a small 20 by 10 by 8-inch footprint, detect and sort at least 4 colors, route each item into its correct bin, and maintain at least 95% accuracy. To build the system, we use a stepper motor driver, a color sensor, a microserver, and a 12 volts power supply, and an Lego Uno R3. With an approximate total cost of $103. Here's our wiring setup. On the left is the actual circuit, and on the right is the schematic showing how each component connects to the Arduino. This flow diagram shows the basic logic of our system, which would be to detect the color, move the arm to the correct bin, release the candy, and then return the home position before checking for the next item. Before moving on, here's a quick time-lapse of the 3D printing process we use to fabricate the custom parts for our system. This includes the conveyor supports and the sorting platform. Here is a quick animation from Fusion 360 showing how all the components came together in our design. This assembly model helped us verify spacing alignment and how each part interacts before printing and building the system. Now we'll pass it over to Sebastian to show you the system in action and how the process works.
Alright, this is the color Skittle sorter. As you can see, it's able to detect the color and run the conveyor belt. Once the machine has detected the color, the servo arm moves to its position. And although it is slow, it does get the job done. So right now it's going for orange. Bringing due to yellow. And if you bring the camera over here, you'll be able to see the serial monitor prints out exactly what's detecting. The machine works by detecting it 3 times to get a confirmation, because the noise of the conveyor belt sometimes leads to different colors. I'm gonna do a little green. Now the only one we consistently have problems with is purple, because of the color of the purple and the color of the conveyor belt. The machine, the averages tend to confuse themselves. So either it does not get picked up because it gets picked up as a conveyor belt, or yeah. Other than that, that's the color sorter. Thank you.
Okay, great. Now that you've seen how the system operates, here's a time-lapse showing it in a continuous motion as it sorts multiple Skittles by color. In this time-lapse, what we actually wanted to do was start from the top to the bottom and then go up again. So we started with the color orange, then we proceeded to go with the yellow, then we started going with the color green, and finally we're going to go with the color red. And if you give it a few seconds, there you go. And then again, we're just going to go randomize in this part. We're going to go yellow and then orange. And then if you guys actually look at the arm in the middle of the screen, you see how as soon as it reacts, it actually shows the color or the angle that it's supposed to go. And then that's one of the cases in which the purple is not working. So we just go ahead and skip that one until it moves into the next Skittle. Here is also another instance, since we know that Skittles are not perfect. Sometimes it takes 2 reads for the color sensor to actually detect the color, but it actually worked as planned. As you guys can see, that orange is supposed to fall within the bin. And that is our color sorting system in action. It is able to detect different colors and place each Skittle in its matching bin automatically. Thanks for watching.